Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Please like and subscribe guys. Ayan, maglalaro ako ng guys, ng FC Mobile Football guys. Amateur 3 pa yung level ko guys. So ready, Chelsea versus France. Guys, France yung kalaban ko sa guys. Tingnan natin kung mananalo ba. Pero mga ganitong level guys, hindi pa masyadong mga magaling katulad ko. Siyempre, pag mataas na yung level natin, yan. Matitigas na yung kalaban natin. Makakalaban na natin si Messi doon. Tsaka si Ronaldo. Yun na yung mga kalaban natin. Ngayon na guys, start the game na guys. Okay. It's my ball. It's my ball. Oops, yes, I get my first goal. Oh, what a goal. What a goal. Okay. See. Ayan guys. Parang may skills ako sa football. Ang saya nitong laro guys. Parang naglalaro talaga ng football. Kaya naglalaro ako nito kasi challenge. Okay, I get the ball again. Pass. Okay, shoot. Okay, shoot. Ooh, what a goal. Wow, naka 2 goals na ako guys. 2 goals. Hello France. Oh my. Okay. Kailangan kong guys, tibayan yung depensa ko. Okay, I get the ball. Okay, I pass. No, okay. No. Shoot. Ooh, that's good. Yay, naka 3 goals na ako. Nako naman, France. Galaw-galaw naman, France. Okay guys, defense tayo guys, defense tayo. Kailangan di sila makagol. Okay, good defense. Okay, again, yay! I get it. Oh my god. Oh, shoot. I get it again. Okay. Shoot one time. So, dalawang ball na nalos ko, guys. So, okay. This time. In the corner. Okay. Depensa ng guys, ng goalkeeper. Okay, half-time finish. My score is 3. So, start the guys, second half. Okay. Yo, depensa. Oh my god. Pass. Oh baby. Go run. Oh, goal. Oh my god. You get it. The goalkeeper is strong now. Oh, goal. Yeah. My fourth goal, guys. Okay. Nice pass. Okay. Mahaba pa yung time, guys. Kailangan natin magdepensa. Depensa. Oh my god. It's coming. Yay. Okay, good defense. Okay, pass the ball, baby. Pass the ball. Okay. Get it. Okay. Shoot. Ooh. It's my 5 goal, guys. My 5 goal. Oh my god, France. Oh my god. Yeah, my 5 goals, guys. My 5 goal. Okay, change player muna. And then, okay, depensa. No score. I get it. Okay, my defense is very good. Woohoo. My defense is good. Okay? Okay? No, no. It's wrong pass. It's wrong pass. Not allowed. Oh my God, he's stupid. Okay. Wrong pass ako, guys. Okay, nasa kanila yung bola. But, okay, I get it. Pass. Okay. Come on, baby. Pass, pass. Pass the ball. Careful, careful. Okay, goal again. Goal, goal, goal. Oh my God, lost ball. Di ako nakagol. So, tira tayo sa corner, guys. Tira tayo sa corner. And then, nakuha nila yung bola. Yay! Oh, I'm the winner. I'm the winner, guys. Chelsea win, guys. Okay, Chelsea wins. And player of the match ko. Good boy. Okay, guys. Okay, guys. Ito yung mga ano, guys. Ano ko muna, guys. I-claim ko muna tong mga ano ko. Yes, may 1 star na ako, guys. I-claim ko muna tong mga ano ko, guys, reward. Okay. Claim nyo kayo na. Mag-ano na ako doon. Malapit na tayo sa ano, guys, sa amateur 2. Pag manalo pa ako ulit dito, magiging amateur 2 ako. In the next game. Ayan. Continue ako, guys, para maging amateur 2. So, continue the game. Continue lang tayo. Okay. La 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 la. Okay, guys. Yes. Hanap tayo ng kamats, guys, para mag-continue yung game. Okay. Meron akong match, guys. Anong team to? Oh my God. Arsenal. 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 Okay, guys. The Arsenal, guys. Yan yung kalaban ko ngayon. Tingnan natin, guys, kung mananalo pa rin ako. Okay. So, the game start. It's my ball. It's my ball. Pass. Pass, baby. Pass. Okay, okay. Make the first goal. Make the first goal. Make the first goal. Oh, wow. Yes. First goal, guys. First goal. So, naka-first goal na ako, guys. Parang masaya to. Masaya to. Okay, depensa tayo, guys. Depensa tayo. Depensa, okay? I get it. Nakuha ko ulit yung bola. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Okay, okay. Goal! Goal, diretso lang. Uy, naku, lumabas yung bola. Okay, okay. Ay, depensa tayo, depensa tayo, depensa tayo. Naku, naku, wag, wag, wag. Kunin mo yung bola. Kunin mo yung bola. Okay, okay, okay. Good, good. Good, I get it, I get it. Okay, okay. Diretso mo lang. Goal, goal. Goal mo, goal. Yes, diretso. Ooh, Williams, you're the best. Okay, Williams. Okay, guys. Naka 2 goals na tayo, guys. Naka 2 goals na ako, guys. Yung kalaban, 0-0. Uy. Okay, get again. Nakuha ko ulit yung bola. Okay, okay, okay. Okay, diretso, diretso. Oh my God. Oh my God. It's a wrong pass. Okay, I lost the ball. Okay, again. Another. Okay, diretso mo. Diretso mo. Goal, goal, goal. Okay, good. Nunez. Nunez. Yes. Naka third goal na tayo, guys. Another goal. Mukhang masaya. Finish ang halftime, guys. Ooh. Okay. Take rest little. And then start. Oops. Dipinsa. Wag. Dipinsa tayo, guys. Dipinsa tayo. No. You're not allowed. Yes. Okay. Good defense. Okay. I get the ball. Pass. Okay, pass. Okay. Let go. Oh, no. Goal! What happened is out in the front. What's happening to you? Goal. Okay, baby, goal. Yes. Oh. Naka 4 goal na tayo, guys. Okay. Yes. Change team muna ako. Change player. Okay. Best defense. Get the ball. Okay. Yes. Good defense. Ang galing kong gumawa ng bola, guys, no? Ang galing kong mga agaw. Okay, goal. 5 ng score ko, guys. 0 pa rin sila. Okay, it's okay. It's my day today. Habol. Okay, diretso mo na. Goal. Oh my goodness. Okay. Lost ball. Okay, bantayan yung depensa, guys. Yeah, they lost their ball. Okay, pass. Ooh, guys, wala na. Panalo kami. Okay, we are the winner. My second game is I'm the winner. Okay, that's my player of the match. Okay, guys. So, 3-star na ako, guys. It means mature 2. Okay. Mature 2 na ako. And the next play, guys. Ito na yung mga mga reward. So, I claim. Okay. Next game, guys. Amateur 2 na ako. So, medyo mahirap na yun. Okay, guys. Thank you for watching, guys. Please subscribe my channel, guys.